Hey guys, so I'm here and I have this wallpaper, and it's made for sort of the kitchen or bedroom, but it's really nice, and it's black, which is what I like, so then I can black out everything. But this is kind of what it comes with. So this is what the paper is. I mean, it's nice. It's not metallic-y, but it definitely is like sort of a little matte black type finish. This is kind of what it looks like here. And so what you'll do is you essentially put this over wherever you want it, on your drawers, on the counter, and it's wallpaper. And so it comes with a squeegee too, so then you can squeegee everything out. Because how it works is you spray it with water, then you squeegee it out, and then it's on there. And so how it works is obviously it has on the back, you cut it into the pieces, and then it has this sticky under it, which you pull, you stick, you spray, and then you parse it out kind of like that. But I mean, this is good. I mean, if you could see kind of the color, I'll put it here for you to see what the color looks like. And it's nice and black. So if this is on your cabinets or wherever it is, it's a nice solid black. And so that will definitely work for me if I want to make my whole bedroom black and have the counters and cabinets and stuff like that. This is perfect. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up.